In this video, the Bitcoin price has met one of our targets exactly as predicted. Same goes with Ethereum. We have met one of our targets exactly as predicted. But the question is, what is next for this Bitcoin price action, as well as I'm going to show you how can you accumulate more Bitcoin despite of the price action going down. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba kapon, sa video natin kapon, what we were monitoring was this candle close below the support. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, that is an indicator na we are going down with the Bitcoin price. The question is, how low are we going to get? Kasi diba, ang inaabangan natin is magkaroon ng sell volume. And look at this guys, right now, we saw a candle close below, we saw that movement, and we saw a sell volume. So that has indicated our breakdown. So congratulations if you have traded that. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, nag-open ako ng short position dito. Initially, may stop loss ako dito nung na-meet natin yung first target. In-adjust ko yung stop loss. And then nung bumagsak siya lalo, ina-adjust ko lang yung stop loss ko lalo. And as of the time being, nag-close na yung aking short position dito with the Bitcoin price kasi na-meet na natin yung aking trail stop around the 28,000 or 29,000 US dollar area. So right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So right now, I think what we have to monitor next for the Bitcoin price is we're going to look at this in the hourly time frame. Because look at this. In the hourly time frame, you can actually notice that we are starting to form a declining price, but the RSI is increasing. So that is a potential bullish retracement for the very short term. So right now, I think we are going to see a potential bullish retracement for the time being. But ito yung aking i-monitor right now. Kasi if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, since we saw that breakdown, I think that we are just going to have a very short bullish retracement, and then we're just going to retest the previous support as a resistance, and then we might go down to our final target of around the 27.7k. So right now, that is what I'm going to monitor, especially if you're going to look at the hourly time frame, 200 moving average. The 200 moving average could be a potential resistance area kasi look at this. Doon tayo previously na rejected multiple times with the Bitcoin price. So right now, I think that could be an entry opportunity for a short position dito kay Bitcoin price. So if ever na-meet natin yung 200 moving average, I might open a short position then and then mag-set na lang ako ng stop loss just above. In that case, ang magiging target natin would be around the number one would be around the 28.7 and then finally would be the 27.7k. So that is what I'm going to monitor with the Bitcoin price action dito in the coming days as well as in the coming hours, especially now we are going to be in this opportunity. And right now, look at this. We are actually monitoring this trade beautifully. And right now, we are actually playing that one out exactly as predicted. So congratulations, guys, if you have been trading this opportunity. But guys, if let's say you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade that with Bybit. And right now, we have an ongoing deposit blast off with Bybit of up to 3,000 US dollar bonus if you're going to deposit with Bybit. And then if nag-trade kayo, of course, pwede kayo kumita if you're going to follow one of our trades. And you can also do what I am also doing dito with the Bitcoin price action. And as you can see, if you want to claim up to 3,000 US dollar bonus, all you have to do is to deposit a certain amount. And as you can see, yun yung makuha yung bonus if ever na you are going to deposit a certain amount with Bybit. And also, we also have a flash cashback promo within with Bybit. So if you are going to deposit 50 US dollars, you are going to get extra 50 US dollars only if you're going to register dito sa ating campaign. So, itong pinapakita ko sa inyo guys, I'm going to post them, itong both links na pinakita ko in the description down below. So, if you want to take part with our promos with Bybit, just find this guys in the description down below and hopefully, matake advantage yung ating mga promos na binibigyan natin mga sponsors kasi of course, these are opportunities for you na which you can take advantage and make money out of it. But anyway, let's now dive into the altcoin market. And by looking at the altcoin market, let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. And as you can see, right now, the Bitcoin dominance is still playing out exactly as predicted. Yung ating pinaplot na ating movement, which is this ascending channel. So as you can see right now, we are still playing within this ascending channel. And generally, since we are on an uptrend with the Bitcoin dominance, that is going to indicate na altcoins are going to bleed whenever the dominance is increasing kasi that would indicate na people are moving their money from altcoins to Bitcoin. In that case, altcoins are relatively going to bleed against Bitcoin. So with that being said, let's quickly dive into the Ethereum price action. So as you can see, with Ethereum price action, actually, dyan pa yung drawing natin from yesterday's video. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, if you're going to get a candle close at the same time, nag-increase yung dominance, at the same time, bumagsak si Bitcoin, then it's more likely na we are going to go down further with Ethereum price action, and we are going to target the following areas. Number 1 would be the $1,948 US, and number 2 would be the $1,889 US. Look at that, we met our first target exactly as predicted. So congratulations then guys if you have also traded that movement. But right now, what is next for the Ethereum price action? So I think let's try to look at this in the early time frame and see kung saan tayo papunta ngayon. So in the early time frame, I think what we can actually look at here is the RSI. So sa RSI, wala tayong signs of a bullish trend reversal. So I think this is more likely going to consolidate muna dito with the Ethereum price action. I think I'm going to expect consolidation rather than a bullish retracement, kasi look at that, we are not seeing any signs of a bullish reversal signal. So in this case, I personally think na altcoins are going to be weaker against Bitcoin. So in this case, it's better na you trade with the Bitcoin price action first kasi dun tayo mas stable. But when it comes to opening a short position, I think Ethereum price action could be a very good thing na you can actually watch out, kasi of course, if you are going to increase pa din with the Bitcoin dominance, at the same time, lalo tayong nag-decline kay Bitcoin, then of course, that could be a shorting opportunity with the altcoin market such as Ethereum. So in that case, that is what I am going to monitor within the whole crypto market. And also guys, ito din yung gusto ko pag-usapan ngayon. If let's say, gusto nyo pa din mag-accumulate ng more Bitcoin and let's say kahit wabagsak si Bitcoin, paano ba tayo kikita na mas maraming Bitcoin? So, meron din kasi actually tayo tinatawag na inverse perpetual futures derivative dito kay Bybit. Unlike yung traditional na futures, if let's say naglong ka ng Bitcoin, ang mangyayari is, ang inyong collateral or inyong margin is in US dollars. If let's say, nag-decline si Bitcoin, if let's say bumagsak si Bitcoin ng around negative 4%, ang kinikita nyo when opening a short position sa ating US dollars is you are going to earn profits in US dollars. Now, what if instead of US dollars yung inyong margin, yung Bitcoin na lang yung inyong margin? So if let's say meron kang 0.005 Bitcoin, tapos bumagsak si Bitcoin, nag-open ka na short position, tapos ang margin mo is 0.005 Bitcoin, ang mangyayari is, instead of US dollars yung inyong profit, ang profit nyo ngayon is in Bitcoin. So ang mangyayari is 0.005 times 1.04, let's say 4% yung inyong profits, ang magiging total Bitcoin nyo ngayon would be around 0.005 to Bitcoin, or meron din kayong profits na 0.002 Bitcoin. So in that case, dumadami inyong nakahodl na Bitcoin if you're going to open a short position with Bitcoin using inverse perpetual sa derivatives. So in this case, if let's say ang goal mo katulad ko is nag-accumulate ng mas maraming Bitcoin, then of course, shorting Bitcoin using Bitcoin margin is actually much better. Kasi ang kagandahan yan, if let's say lalo na dumami inyong Bitcoin, if let's say yung inyong 0.005 Bitcoin ay naging 0.1 Bitcoin, tas marami kayo na-accumulate, of course, if bumalik siya around the 30,000 US dollars, ang magiging total na pera nyo is now around 3,000 US dollars. So, tingnan nyo guys, diba? Initially, if yung pera nyo is 0.005 Bitcoin lang, ang pera nyo lang is around 150 US dollars. Pero if let's say, nakapag-accumulate kayo ng maraming Bitcoin dahil sa pag-short nyo, tapos umabot kayo ng 0.1, makikita nyo, ang magiging profit nyo na ngayon is around 3,000 US dollars. So, ganun yung kagandahan ng pag-accumulate at pag-short ng Bitcoin instead of the US dollar chart. Let's see, marami kina-accumulate na Bitcoin, tapos let's say, umakit yung price action ng Bitcoin. Hindi lang yung Bitcoin asset dumadami sa inyo. Ang dumadami din sa inyo is yung pag-increase ng valuation ng Bitcoin nyo. So, in that case, win-win siya, kumikita ka ngayon ng Bitcoin, at the same time, yung Bitcoin mo is kumikita din ng pera dahil sa increasing valuation niya. So in this case, accumulating Bitcoin using inverse perpetual dito sa derivatives in Bybit is actually an ideal thing if let's say ang inyong goal is to accumulate more Bitcoin in the future. And also guys, you can do that with Bybit. So tulad ng sinabi natin kanina, if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So anyway, ayun muna update natin for the time being. We are going to monitor this latest price action and we are going to continue this movement ni Bitcoin price action. So if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.